Latest model of 2025 is equipped with Changchai engine, 1102, 20-yard steel head and steel stamp. The real 20-yard brand. Agricultural machinery has no worries about after-sales service. Now we will officially ship on the 6th day of the first lunar month. It is equipped with the same Dafei tire as Shufu. Strengthen the large box with full gears. If you feel that the ground is particularly hard, add a deep plowing knife. The deep plowing hook knife used to leave. The ground is integrated with a reinforced handlebar, which is more solid. The gears are 3 high speeds and 3 low speeds. The metal pull wire